Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Now I will show you how to factory reset all settings from your Huawei Scale 3 device using application. I have showed how to make factory reset using a reset button on the Scale 3 device, but now I will show you how to do it via application. So open your Huawei Health application, click Devices and find here your Huawei Scale 3 device and scroll down and choose Restore Factory Settings. But firstly you need to connect to the scale. To do it, just step on the scale, wait a while, as you can see Bluetooth connected, then scroll down and choose Restore Factory Settings again, click Confirm, wait a while, and great, Huawei Scale was successfully reset. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.